4 quick and easy home remedies to get thicker hair. Managing hair thinning and hair loss is a struggle for many people. According to the American Academy of Dermatology Association, hereditary hair loss is the most common type of condition worldwide. Other reasons include aging, stress, immune system, hormonal imbalance, and damaging hair treatments like coloring, perming, or relaxing. And when it comes to treatment, there's a variety of options from shampoos, vitamins, supplements, therapies, and surgeries. But today, we're going to share with you a list of some of the easiest and simplest natural remedies so you won't have to spend a fortune to grow back thicker and stronger hair. First is using olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that aids hair growth by nourishing the scalp and preventing hair damage. Massage your hair and scalp with warm olive oil. Leave it for 45 minutes or even better, overnight, and then wash off thoroughly with shampoo. You may also add some honey into the oil. Honey gives more benefits to this treatment as it promotes cell growth and is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that condition the hair. Do this once or twice a week. Second, using castor oil. This is a nutritious vegetable oil rich in vitamin E and fatty acids that promote hair growth. Castor oil is mainly composed of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that can help stimulate hair growth by increasing blood flow to the hair follicles. It also has antimicrobial properties and makes your hair more lustrous. First, place the whole container of castor oil in a bowl of hot water to warm it up. Then massage it to your hair and scalp, making sure that your hair is evenly coated. Moisten a towel with warm water and wrap this on your hair to let the oil soak. After an hour, rinse thoroughly and wash your hair with shampoo. Do this treatment once a week, and for a more manageable consistency, you may add some coconut oil since castor oil alone can be too thick. Before we proceed with our list, if you're finding this video helpful so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel to see more informative health videos, and click the bell icon so you'll be updated whenever we have a new upload. The third is using avocado. Avocado is a great source of vitamin E, and as stated earlier, this has antioxidant properties that nourish the hair and scalp. Make an avocado mask by mashing an avocado and a banana together. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and massage the mixture onto your scalp. Leave it for 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly and wash off with shampoo. You can do this avocado mask once a week. Fourth, using eggs. One of the main components of hair is protein, which is essential in building, repairing, and maintaining healthy hair. According to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2018, chicken egg yolk contains peptides that can stimulate hair growth. Peptides are made up of amino acids and are similar to proteins. And using eggs, you can easily do a protein treatment at home. Simply beat an egg or eggs, depending on the length of your hair, and apply on wet hair. After 30 minutes, wash your hair with warm water and shampoo. Do this 1 to 2 times a week. Another remedy using eggs can be done by mixing 2 tablespoons of water, 1 egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon of any kind of hair oil that you prefer, such as argan, olive, coconut, and almond oils. Massage the mixture onto your scalp and do this once a week for thicker, stronger hair. And that's the end of our list of remedies to regrow your hair naturally. It's really amazing how simple ingredients at home are so versatile and useful. If you want to discover more natural methods to manage common health conditions at home, just like the use of avocado, eggs, and olive oil for hair loss, then you should check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. It contains recipes of infusions, teas, essential oils, salves, and other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. In the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, you'll also find 800 plus medicinal plants that would replace every drug in your cabinet. It has 2 to 4 high definition, colored pictures, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. For more info about this plant medicine book, check out the link in the description below. And that sums up today's video. We hope you learned something new from us. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because we'll be sharing more useful tips and tricks with you very soon. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.